Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make a playlist on YouTube. It's really simple, so let's jump in. You can use youtube.com or you can use the app. It doesn't really matter. It's easy either way. I'm going to use the app right now. So the first thing you want to do is to locate the videos you want to put in your playlist. I'm just going to use this YouTuber, her workout videos. So just clicking on that video, exit here. It's going to go to her channel by clicking on her name. And so to create a playlist, to put these videos in it, all you have to do is hit the three dots to the right of the video. So if I click these dots, it's going to bring up these three little options, and all you do is hit Save to Playlist. And now it's going to give you the option to either add it to a previous playlist that's already made or create a new one. So I can hit New Playlist here. I can give it a title. Let's say Gabby Workout. That's the YouTuber's name. And then I can also change the privacy here to public, unlisted, or keep it on private, which is automatically set to, and then hit create. And now all I have to do is go through and hit the three dots, and I can add as many videos to this playlist as I want. I can go ahead and click on that playlist and hit done. And I can just keep going through, three dots to the right of the video, hit create playlist, and then workout, done. And I can do that as many times as I want to. Now to locate that playlist, all I have to do is either hit playlist at the top of my screen, it'll bring me over to playlist, or if I'm here, I can hit library and it'll bring me all the playlists here. If I want to edit that playlist, all I have to do is click on the playlist, let me refresh that, hit on the playlist, and then hit this pencil icon right underneath the title. And this will give me the option to change the workout name or the playlist name by just clicking on the title, and I can change it to whatever I want it to be. And then I can also change the privacy here by just clicking on privacy and then change it to either public or unlisted. You can either collaborate with other people by adding other YouTubers here. But that's all it is, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.